Hey guys, welcome back to David's tutorial. Today I'll show you how to download and install Euro Truck Simulator 2 for free on your PC 2025. First, open your browser and go to the official Steam website at store.steampower.com. If you don't have Steam installed yet, click the Install Steam button at the top right. Download the setup and follow the on-screen instructions. Once Steam is installed, open it and either log in or create a free account if you're new. This is required to access any games on the platform. Next, in the Steam search bar, type Euro Truck Simulator 2. You'll see it right away. Click on the game, and now here's the important part. While the full game is usually paid, Steam often offers a free trial or a demo version during special events or sales. If there's a play demo button, just click it and Steam will download and install the game for free. If you see a free weekend or limited time offer, you can also click play now to try the full game temporarily. Bonus tip, make sure to check back during Steam sales like the summer or winter sale. Euro Truck Sim 2 sometimes drops to a super low price or even get a free trial during that time. That's all for now. Thanks for watching David's tutorials.